Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 continues to uphold its legacy as a reliable and affordable hatchback, tailored for urban commuters and small families. Building upon its predecessors, this model introduces a blend of contemporary design, enhanced performance, and modern features, all while maintaining its status as an economical choice in the compact car segment. At first glance, the Alto K10's exterior showcases a refreshed aesthetic that aligns with modern automotive trends. The front fascia features a sleek honeycomb grille, flanked by sharp headlamps that lend the car a dynamic presence. Its compact dimensions make it exceptionally maneuverable in city traffic, while the sculpted body lines add a touch of sophistication to its profile. The rear design is understated, with subtle tail lamps and a clean boot lid, emphasizing functionality over flamboyance. Under the hood, the Alto K10 is powered by a refined 998cc, 3-cylinder petrol engine that delivers a peppy 66 bhp. This engine is mated to either a 5-speed manual transmission or an optional 5-speed automated manual transmission, AMT, catering to both traditional and modern driving preferences. The powertrain is engineered for optimal fuel efficiency, with the manual variant offering an impressive mileage of approximately 24.39 kmpl, while the AMT variant slightly edges ahead at 24.9 kmpl. For those prioritizing eco-friendliness and cost savings, Maruti Suzuki also offers a CNG variant, which boasts a remarkable fuel efficiency of 33.85 km/kg. Stepping inside, the Alto K10's cabin is a testament to thoughtful design and practicality. The interior space comfortably accommodates 4 adults, with seats upholstered in durable fabric that ensures comfort during commutes. The dashboard layout is intuitive, featuring a 7-inch SmartPlay Studio touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Steering-mounted controls enhance driver convenience, allowing easy access to audio and call functions without diverting attention from the road. Despite its compact size, the Alto K10 offers a commendable 214-liter boot space, adequate for daily errands and short trips. In terms of ride and handling, the Alto K10 excels in urban environments. Its suspension system is tuned to absorb typical city road imperfections, providing a comfortable ride for occupants. The car's light steering and compact footprint make parking in tight spots effortless. On highways, the Alto K10 maintains stability, though it's primarily engineered for city commutes. The engine's performance is lively, especially in lower gears, making stop-and-go traffic less cumbersome. However, at higher revs, the engine does become more audible within the cabin, a trait common in compact, high-revving engines. Safety has been a focal point in the 2025 iteration of the Alto K10. Standard safety features across all variants include dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and rear parking sensors. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki has incorporated Electronic Stability Program, ESP, as a standard feature, enhancing vehicle control during abrupt maneuvers or slippery conditions. These features collectively aim to provide a secure driving experience, aligning with contemporary safety standards. The Alto K10 is available in multiple variants to cater to a diverse customer base. The base model, STD-O, offers essential features at an accessible price point, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The XC-O and XC-O variants introduce additional conveniences such as power steering, central locking, and front power windows. The top-tier XC+O variant is equipped with the full suite of features, including the touchscreen infotainment system and body-colored ORVMs. For those inclined towards automatic driving, the XC-O, AGS and XC+O AGS variants provide the convenience of an automated manual transmission. The CNG variants, XC-O, SCNG and XC-O, SCNG, are tailored for users seeking enhanced fuel economy and reduced emissions. Customer feedback has been largely positive, with many appreciating the Alto K10's fuel efficiency, compact dimensions, and ease of driving in urban settings. Users have highlighted its low running costs and reliability associated with the Maruti Suzuki brand. However, some have noted areas for improvement, such as cabin noise at higher speeds and the desire for additional storage solutions for rear passengers. Overall, the consensus indicates that the Alto K10 offers substantial value for its price, especially for first-time car owners and those seeking a dependable city car. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto K10 stands as a compelling choice in the entry-level hatchback segment. It successfully blends efficiency, practicality, and modern features, all within an affordable package. Whether navigating congested city streets or embarking on short weekend getaways, the Alto K10 is designed to meet the demands of everyday driving with ease and reliability.